Hello everyone, Professor Thompson here. It is February 8th, the day after unit number 1 was due for our 8-week internet course. I wanted to take a few minutes to provide some feedback and a couple announcements with regard to our class. Unit number 1 officially concluded last night or early this morning at midnight. And so all of the information, assignments, speeches that were due for Unit 1 should have been turned in. I have updated the gradebook almost entirely. It is completely up to date, except for the presentation grades. I will be working over the next 48 hours to watch and evaluate all of those presentations. And my sincere hope is that by Friday I have all of those graded and I have the grades posted, and everything from Unit 1 would be graded, posted, complete. If you fail to submit the video for Unit number 1, you can no longer get a C or higher in the course as indicated by the syllabus. So that will be a major issue for you moving forward. For those of you who did complete the presentation, thank you. I look forward to watching those presentations shortly, and I will provide some emailed feedback back to you with regard to your presentation. The next thing that I wanted to mention was the feedback posts that were on the discussion board. I noticed a distinct trend that many of you were saying some of the same things. I also noticed that in the response to some of the original postings, you were referencing the fact that the postings were repetitious. The assignment is only as valuable as you make it, and the depth and exchange that you have is only as deep as you make it. I would highly recommend that when you notice a trend that you break it and that you work to provide examples and feedback that's not been seen before as part of that process, rather than continuing the status quo. So I would encourage you as we move forward, and if there's another discussion board post, that you work to post original stuff. But then, as you provide the feedback for your classmates, you work to provide a new angle or a new response to that feedback. So I just wanted to kind of mention that and say that that's entirely in your hands. The final thing that I wanted to mention today has to do with an assignment in Unit number 2, which is the student conference. I am officially canceling this particular assignment and not making this a requirement. So I will also post a short announcement on this in Blackboard and send out a email to everyone reminding them of this change. But I did want to officially make this a part of the video announcement, in that I'm canceling the required student conference. Again, after you've gotten your feedback from the first presentation, if there's a question or concern or something that you have that I can answer, I would initiate that if you have that concern, and then we can discuss from there. But I don't know that there's necessarily a need at this point to kind of force the hand or force the required conference. I hope you're all in good spirits. I hope you're all doing well. I'm looking forward to the presentations, and we will be in contact soon.